Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis, and on today's episode of Zynga Poker, I'm gonna show you how to become friends with players in the game. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your Zynga Poker game. Once you're on the main menu of Zynga Poker game, head over to your friends list. The friends list should be located in the bottom right section of the game. So go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, I don't have any friend at the moment. So in order to become friends with people on Zynga Poker, head over to your recent tab. Here you can find a list of people that you have played with recently. And in order to become their friends, just tap on the add friend icon below their name. So for example, let's say I want to add Maverick as my friend. So I'm gonna tap on add friends button and a friend request should be sent to Maverick. So that's it on how to become friends with people on Zynga Poker. But if you have any confusion, then leave your queries down in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.